Hey everyone, I'm back again. I just went to my P.O. box and Baby D Spot sent me a little package. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel on your way in. So he told me I had a package that should be here Monday, so I just went to check my P.O. box. I don't want to mess up now. Trying not to. I don't want to cut nothing. Ooh, I almost did. See? He told me he was going to send me. I told him I liked his wig he had on. He said he was going to go get me one. And here she go. She hung on to the package. Wait a minute. This is a Money Piece Gold lace front wig. It has a deep center cord. And he had this on in one of his videos. I told him I like it, so he sent me one. See, he got the little lace and everything on here. So, thank you, D Spot. She's so cute. And also, he said he sent me some glasses. So, I'm gonna do a whole look. And I put her on. Ooh, these some on. Yeah. Some hearts. These are cute. These are from Midas. The Midas shades. Yeah. No, Raw Shades by Midas. I was close. So these are cute. I'm gonna rock these when I rock the unit. Thank you, D Spot. You so sweet. This match my shirt too. I might have to hide these for my daughter. I can't wait to put this on. I'll be doing this sometime this week. Yes, sir. So again, thank you, D Spot. These cute shades come from Midas Shades. I mean, I like to call them Midas. Raw Shades by Midas. Raw Shades by Midas. See that? And I will be putting on the shades and the unit so you can get a good look at how they look on me. I'll have to take the one I have on out first. But this is her again. She's so pretty. Look. Y'all know I like synthetic wigs. I ain't had a good synthetic wig in a while. I've been wearing these little human wigs. So, I will be putting her on shortly one day this week. So, be looking out for my next video with me with the unit on and the shades. I'm trying to think. Have to match them shades. Okay, I'll be back. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks D Spot. And make sure you check out his shades, Raw Shades by Midas.com, and order you some shades. And I'll be back with the unit and the shades on so you can see how they look on me. Bye.